Listen, we're in a difficult position, right? We're in a difficult position right now, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yeah.
that difficult position can put you in a very, very difficult place for you and your family, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're allowing that to happen. So there's a threat that's occurring right now, and you're not doing whatever you need to do. And for you to get through this, you need to become an assassin, a killer. Yeah, and to turn on that killer instinct inside of you. Okay, I'm not saying go out and kill people by any means. Guys, don't kill anybody, all right? But you have to turn on that hunter instinct. Hunter. You know who are the people that are freaking out right now? Employees. These are the people that are freaking out.
True.
I'm not freaking out. Don't get me wrong. I'm not happy about it, but sometimes I get excited. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know what's going to happen right now. Why? Because I've been through the homeless part and I've been broke, and you know, you kind of know the idea, okay? So now I became a hunter, whereas employees, they're like, someone's going to help us. Someone's going to do something for us. The government's going to come for us. It's like there's a SWAT team outside that's coming to rescue you. No one's going to rescue you. If they do something good for you, amazing. But I don't think someone has you on their chart and saying, Rabia, we got to do something for Rabia, man. He's in a sticky situation. He's building his business and his head, and they're like, okay, guys, go, 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 go. There's no such thing as that. There's none of this shit happening. Okay, none of it. A guy told me, don't worry, the banks are gonna save us. I'm like, oh, the banks are gonna save us. I'm like, yeah, all right, man. Yeah, take care. No one's gonna save you. You're gonna save yourself, and you need to turn on that killer instinct inside of you, where you're like, I will not allow anything to threaten me and my family. And I do it more for my loved ones than I do it for myself. Like, I'm willing to starve, but I will not allow, you know, the people that I love to starve, or to even think that we are in a position of like vulnerability. We might be, or we might go in that direction, because it happens, okay? But I don't want to ever think and say, oh, if only you reached out to 100 influencers, you would have not put yourself and your family in this position. I don't want to ever think about that. I want to say, you know what, you did everything, and
you tried,
and shit happens. Yeah, maybe we need to move to a smaller house. Maybe we like whatever makes us. Right now, what's most important is health. Health, food, shelter, water. Everything else is secondary after that. Okay, but you need to make sure that me, Rabia, I did everything. I put everything on the line. I did everything. And that's going to make you sleep very well.
Absolutely.
Make sense?
Make perfect sense.
So turn on the hunter inside of you, that assassin killer. Don't kill people, guys. Kill the thing that is causing you the fear. Kill the thing that you're dreading to do. Kill it. Yeah.
Okay.
My man.